Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. And today we are going to discuss about the bookwork of your chapter adjectives. So what is adjective? It's a describing words. Word that describe noun, pronoun and inform us about their attributes or qualities. These are known as It shows the attributes of or qualities are known as adjectives. Adjectives are categorized into six parts: quantity, quality, number, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative. So, quantity. This tells us how much of an object is present. For example, little, any, some, sufficient, etc. Quality, it tells us about the nature or quality of an object of a person. For example, soft, tall, ugly, clever, etc. Numbers, these tells us how many peoples or objects are present, either countable or non-countable. Pronouns, for example, many, few, some, all, etc. Then demonstrative gives us these points out or a things or a person. It pointed out. For example, this, those, that, these, this child, that shelf, these animals, those parrots. Possessive, it's describe about one's belonging. For example, my bag is this your seat. Interrogative shows for asking the questions that are always followed by the noun. Which question? It's a question. Noun is suitcase. Which suitcase is yours? So after the question word, there will be a noun, which is followed by the noun. Adjective can be derived from verb, noun, and other adjectives. From noun, manly from man, easy for ease, windy from wind. This is the word man. Noun is manly, ease, easy, windy from wind. Verb useful for use, broken from break, obedient from obey. Bluish from blue, it's an adjective. Sticky from stick, elderly from elders. Now here this is what you have to learn. It is a list of adjectives: harm, harmful, trouble, troublesome, pity, pitiful, day, daily, glory, glorious, whole, wholesome. Then spine, spineless, face, facial, satisfy, satisfactory, cost, costly, environment, environmental, violence, violent, hunger, hungry, create, creative, value, valuable, play, playful, drink, drinkable, book, bookish, bush, bushy, star, starry. Degrees of comparison is there are adjective can have three form of degrees. First is a positive degree, second a comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. Positive degree, this is the simplest form of an object. It describes the noun pronoun independently without any comparison. Now comparative is the adjective that denotes between the comparison between the two objects. Okay, see here, or a people. For example, the word are soft, softer, tastier, more beautiful, better. Then superlative, this degree is of adjective is used when we compare more than two objects. Like in a simple we said soft, comparative softer, and softest is the superlative. Here are some example of the positive, comparative and superlative. Noble, nobler, noblest, happy, happier, happiest, thin, thinner, thinnest, poor, poorer, poorest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking, ideal, more ideal and most ideal, skilled, more skilled, most skilled, late, later, latest. Little, less, least, much, more, more. Okay. Now using of adjective correctly. Some is used in an affirmative sentence, the some, and any in a negative sentence. Like I have completed some homework, I have not completed any homework. So this is negative, that I have not done any homework. Then much implies a large quantity. It is used in the case of uncountable noun or pronoun, like I do not accept much honesty from him. And many implies a large number. It's a large quantity, it's a large number. She borrowed one of many cars by can cars he owns. Little implies for the small quantity. It is used in the case of uncountable noun, like I have a little courage. Few implies for a small numbers. I have a few, it is for a countable noun. I have a few friends that can be truly be relied upon. Little, a little, the little are only used for uncountable. Example, these, there is a little hope, almost no hope. There is a little hope left. See, when it's a little hope, that means almost no hope. When we say a little hope, that means there is some hope. The little hope left means all the hopes, though very less. It has a hope. Maybe there is a chances of being recovered, but still very less. Now identify this adjective in a 6 categories, as we have learned. The categories are quantity, quality, numbers, demonstrative, possessive and interrogative. Now the paragraph we start. Kate watched a little. Little is a, see, quality. Baby clutched the corner of the table in the tiny. Tiny is the quantity. Quality. First and slowly stood up, grinning wildly at his achievement. He started taking small steps. Quality. Towards her, he swayed many times, losing his balance but not gave up. 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps. These are the numbers 1, 2, 3. He finally walked over the few feet. Few feet is a number, few. And she swung her boy, that is the possessive, in her arms. Possessive, the rush of motherly quality, love and pride was now becoming familiar to her. She kissed her fuzzy, quality hair and smiled at him. It was hard to believe that this cute, demonstrative, cute quality creature has become the center of her possessive universe in such a short span of a time. She had never anticipated the little man would become more important to her than life. Her wise and experienced mother had told her qualities or all the quality her that this demonstrative would happen, and it had. Now we move to our second exercise, that is we have to create the adjective from the suitable word. shade, shady, universal, universe, universal, child, childish, help, helpful, wealthy, wealth, wealthy, peaceful, peace, peaceful, taste, tasty, adventure, adventurous. Now we have to write an appropriate degree. The words have been given here in the box, but these are not a right degree. You have to write the right degrees in the fill in the blanks. Today is the hotter than yesterday. It is a comparison, hot, hotter, hottest, the hotter than yesterday. This is the worst piece of a news I have received all the day. Superlative. Scrooge McDuck was one of the most popular cartoon. Gold is softer metal than iron. Comparison. Cinderella is one of the most popular fairy tales. And India is a more populated nation than USA. Pesticides are harmful in nature, and the painted patient looked paler and close to death. Now use some or any. There is some leftover rice that you can eat. Would you like any help from us, or would you like some help from us? It was not able to buy any fruits. Is there some money left in my pocket? Steel contains some carbon along the iron, and the problem requires some thought. Fill in the blanks with a little, the little, few, a few, and or the few. First one is all I ask, little of your mercy. There are few pages left in the notebook. This little piece of news was changing the world. The little joy that she received from books was wrenched away when she turned blind, and after the match fixing scandal, the cricketer has few fans left. She donated the few pieces of clothing that she had. A little hard work never killed anybody. Now H, a few products, few products in the market are good quality today, and there is little juice left in the bottle. So that's all for today's session. Fill these exercises in your book. Learn all the categories of adjectives. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.